What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Sneak Attack Travels. Alright, so I think a lot of our subscribers are asking why am I here in the US, no? And quite frankly, the main purpose why I'm here really is due to health reasons. I really don't want to go to the details on that, but basically really it's really to address the health concerns that I have way back in the Philippines. So again, I think at any rate, the one of the things that's quite exciting for this episode, so balik tayo dun sa main purpose of this episode, really is to showcase a piece of technology that we wanted to show on this episode, and that is the RayBan Meta Wayfarer. So we've actually purchased this earlier on sa may Spring Street, downtown Manhattan, and this is actually a piece of tech that's quite interesting for me because apart from the fact that we love consumer technology, we're actually also a fan of purchasing eyewear, so sunglasses. The eyewear actually is capable of playing music, also taking pictures, still pictures, and recording videos. So medyo interesting talaga siya, and that's the reason why we try to grab a unit here in NYC so that we can do some unboxing and some showcasing and perhaps some review. To be specific, we're actually looking for the transition lenses. Ibig sabihin ng transition lenses is that pag nasa loob ka, transparent yung glass niya, but when you go out, it becomes either greenish or grayish. So tara, try natin i-unbox. Let's try to set it up. Alright, so this is actually the box. Okay, this thing off. Alright, so there's a big perforated. Okay, and let's see what's inside. So there's listen, call, and live stream. Pwede pala tumawag dito. And there's a QR code for the MetaView app, and there's Meta. So pretty much this is the shades. Let's see what's inside. Yeah, cleaning cloth. So I think these are more like instructions. Get started. Like these are some manuals and QR code. So for the glass itself, alright, let's see. Okay, so may ilaw siya. Alright, so take this thing off. This is maybe that's a charging port, and here's the shades. Looks like a it looks like a typical Wayfarer, and we'll remove all this. Alright, so pretty much that's how it looks. There. And so, right, I think so. The way this gets charged for the first time, basically there's no charge for this yet, because we pulled the plastic thingy here, so it's not charging. So right, since we've already taken this out, so I think yung connector here can already basically charge this eyewear. So meron siya dito, tapping. Meron siyang connector doon. Okay, so we put it here. Yeah. Alright, so perhaps that means it's charging. Alright, so we're actually here at West 49th Street here in Manhattan. So as you can see, we managed to get yung transition lenses. So when you say transition, as mentioned during my first part of the video, kapag nasa labas ka, it's dark. So it's like sunglasses, no? And then kapag nasa loob ka ng mga buildings or pag madilim, nag-clear siya. So I'll show you a video later on kung ano yung itsura niya kapag nasa loob ka ng building. Alright, so we're now inside Grand Central. And yeah, it's Grand Central. There's the info. And there's the Apple Store. Grand Central. So if you notice, the glasses transition to something clear. No? Kanina masyado siyang dark. So yan, that's how actually the transition glasses work. So paglabas mo sobrang dark siya. Kanina, ngayon medyo low light tayo. So automatic, the glasses actually turns into something that's more clear. Now, as you transition from being outside going indoors, yung transition ng pagiging clear niya, it takes time, no? Kapag masyadong malamig, medyo matagal ang transition. So, around mga 2 minutes, no? Pero kapag on a normal temperature, medyo mabilis siya. No? So, yun. Overall review, siguro, what I'm going to show you is siguro some of the pictures and some of the video clips that I got from this glasses, no? Again, one of the things that's really fantastic about this RayBan Meta glasses is that first, you can stream your music here. Second is that you can take pictures. So meron siya dito sa taas dito, no, na pwede mo i-click para mag-take ng pictures, and or pwede mo rin siyang i-voice command by saying, no, say example tayo, "Hey Meta, take picture." Okay. You can also ask this sunglasses to take videos instead. So subukan natin. "Hey Meta, take video." Ayan. So mapapansin ninyo habang nagtitake ka ng video, meron nagbe-blink dito, no? It's more of a courtesy para yung kung sino man yung binivideo mo, alam nila na nabivideohan sila. So dito siya, no? Nagbe-blink siya. I think the limit here is 1 minute per shot. So siguro if you're going to ask me, so stop muna natin siya, no? Stop natin siya. I'll show you the footage of how that looks like, no? So if you would notice, no, kahit NYPD pa siya, hindi halata na you're actually taking video dito. So, as far as the video quality is concerned, no, from the version 1, malaking in-improve nitong video nito, no. Although it's actually limited to 1 minute, it doesn't mean na up to 1 minute lang yung videos na pwede mong i-record, no. So, pwede ka mag-record na more than 1 minute, no. Kaya lang nakaslice siya into 1 minute videos, no. And siguro another thing is that hindi siya halata, no. Siguro if you're concerned na mapapansin kayo ng ibang tao na nag-video kayo or nag-picture, well, actually, hindi pansin, no? Kasi these glasses really look like normal glasses, no? So, kahit may nagbi-blink siya dito when you take pictures or you take videos, hindi halata, no? Yun yung napansin ko, no? I'm not sure if it's a good news or a bad news, no? Pero, siguro good news for those people who are actually using the sunglasses. So, when you take picture and you take videos, hindi siya irritating or hindi siya nakakainis dun sa ibang tao. So they wouldn't even notice that you're actually trying to film them. I think yun yung isa sa mga advantage nito, no? Discreet siya. I remember there was a time that Google released a lens na may camera lens. Masyado siyang loud to the point na alam ng tao na yung lens na yun is capable of taking pictures and videos, to the point that there have been instances na talagang hinahablot siya ng ibang tao. Pero dito sa Meta shades na to, wala. It really looks normal. It really looks typical RayBan shades. So they didn't know that these shades are capable of taking pictures, capable of taking videos, is capable of actually streaming music, and isa pa dito is actually doing live streams through your Facebook and Instagram, no? So pwede ka mag-live stream dito, which means that the video quality of these sunglasses is good enough to actually provide a good quality videos whenever you do live streams. So it's really an awesome piece of tech that has been released both by Meta and RayBan na talagang, you know, that's really worth actually featuring on this channel. So yun, as always, no, maraming salamat, no. I do understand that the purpose of me being here, as I've mentioned earlier on this first video release, for my health reasons, no. And siguro pretty much kahit papaano okay pa rin tayo. Actually, kakagaling ko lang ng hospital ngayon, kakakuha lang sa akin ng sundamukal na dugo, no, for more blood tests. But I'm actually happy that you guys are here and keeping me company on this channel, no? And we're actually still able to showcase some piece of tech, no? Something that I really appreciate. And again, maraming salamat to those who have been messaging ng well wishes. Siguro, of course, mas masaya siguro kung nandito tayo for vacation, no? But nonetheless, we're actually grateful. Ayun, so as always, I'd love to know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Till next time, maraming salamat!